Hi, I'm Adam with Eau Gallie Electric. I'm at the Generator Install Division warehouse. Eau Gallie Electric has been here in Melbourne, Florida since 1948. We're a veteran-owned business. We not only do whole house generators, we also do full commercial work, both service and new jobs, as well as residential service, big generators, navigational aids, and solar. Here we are at Eau Gallie Electric's warehouse. I know you probably think you're at the Generac plant, but you're not. We're here at Eau Gallie in Melbourne, Florida. We have plenty of Generac generators in stock. We're currently stocking the 22 kW as well as the 24 kW. So we have a full warehouse. So we're ready, we're stocked up. Thanks for taking the tour with us. Make sure you give us a call. We'll come out, we'll give you a free in-home consultation and see what we can do to have a generator installed at your home. Make sure you like and subscribe.